Hi guys, this is going to be a mini review of the new TRC Meta car. There are some design elements on this that is hidden, and if you did not assemble the car, you wouldn't know that they are there. Okay, magnet. The whole car is carbon fiber plates and plastic and some aluminum option parts, but the plastic pieces are more injected, so when you assemble you don't need any kind of shims, and you just need to get used to not over tightening the screw. And because the parts are plastic, they have a self-locking feature that you don't have to over tighten the screws. One of the things that I see that is very different from other cars is this front shock. This mount on the upper arm here can slide in and out, so you can adjust the angle or the leverage of the shock that you need. The caster can be adjusted by these two screws. The servo can move back and forth just like a drift art. The battery holder, okay, this I bought the aluminum screw upgrade, and you can see they have a machined head, so you can unscrew them with your finger, loosen the battery holder like this. It's one of the features that I like. You don't have to use any tools. Slide it in and then hand tighten with your finger. That will do it. The shock tower, they cut in the slots so you can put the motor wire neatly on this. This is one of the hidden feature in the kit that you don't see in other kits. The motor mount, this piece here is held by only one locking screw that is right here. Oh, is it down? No, it's right here. Okay, right here. So the motor mount itself and the whole main shaft assembly is designed in such a way that there are two ball bearings, one bearing here and one bearing here. This ball bearing on this the side that holds the motor mount sticks out like about half the thickness of the ball bearing, and the motor mount has a recessed cut in so that it fits on the ball bearing perfectly, so it wouldn't move. So this enables the design to require just one screw to hold this together, and it is flushed on the gearbox. So this is one of the other design feature that is hidden in this car. So if you compare this chassis to the other new ones like the Ma Racing, Drifting Beast, DKMK, whatever, they all use two screws to hold the motor mount, but the motor mount, the way they hold the thing is not engineered so that it is, you know, sturdy and have this kind of feature. The gear drive is super smooth, and this drive gear here, the stock one is a plastic gear, and it has a pin that holds it in place, just like the GLD. The drivetrain is similar to that, and this is an option part that I bought is a aluminum gear set, so it comes with this this aluminum gear and this aluminum gear, and then it eliminates the locking pin. It has this tiny screw, grub screw here, that replaces the pin, and you can screw it in. This will enable you to remove this shaft entirely without having to remove the gearbox on both sides if you were using the old plastic gear with the pin in it, because that way if you want to remove the shaft, you have to dismantle the entire thing and then remove the pinion gear and the pin that way. But this feature lets you unscrew this and then take this thing out like that, you know, just 2 screws take the whole thing out, and you can do whatever maintenance without having to remove these gearbox pieces. And the way the gearbox is designed is a low gravity, low center of gravity design. So the drive shaft is almost the same, you know, the same height as the drive axle. So you can mount the motor very high up or down low, the way you want it. And this is held by 4 screws, just like a drift art, and it can be flipped over just like a drift art without having to do anything else to it. Just 4 screws, flip it around, and you have the forward motor mount. So this is what I see in the TRC Meta, and from the way the car is priced, I think they will make many of these and sell it as a mass market item, not an exclusive model like the V2, you know. So excuse my not so good English, and this is what I think about this TRC Meta.